Today on S Branch Creek, we'll be installing Centramatic wheel balancers on the F-350. At highway speeds, the truck has a pretty good shake, and we're going to try the Centramatic wheel balancers to see if it solves the problem. I chose to leave the wheel weights on and install the Centramatic wheel balancers. When installing the wheel balancers, be sure to clean both mating surfaces. Centramatics are commonly used on heavy-duty trucks such as 18-wheelers. Centramatics have a round tube that are filled with beads that offset the imbalance in the wheel assembly. When installing the rear balancers, be sure to line up the slots so you have access to the valve stems. Torque the lugs to spec and go for a test drive. Using the water bottle test gives a good idea of how much the truck shakes, and after installing the balancers, I can tell a noticeable difference. The one drawback to the Centramatics are the noise the beads make while they're riding around in the metal tube. It makes a swooshing sound. This noise dissipates around 25 miles an hour when the beads balance out. Overall, I'm happy with the performance of the Centramatic wheel balancers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, please like and subscribe.